was listening to a podcast a friend of mine in the Middle East was doing the other day, talking about corporate insurance covers and policies in place to cover the business partners and making sure that everything is aligned and from the beginning. And I know there's money going out for other things, but there's got to be a priority set aside for that future planning for your business and yourself, as part of the budgeting when you're setting up a new business, I think.
Yeah, it's like back to the putting the mask on yourself first before everything else, because if you don't plan for yourself, nobody will. And you're gonna probably not be prepared when it comes to this time that you're like, okay, I'm ready about, I want to enjoy life, and I'm like, okay, where's my money? It's not producing much as I thought it would be. Hopefully, that's not the case, but I feel like I've seen many business owners not thinking about that until later on, and they didn't get any insurance for themselves, or I don't know if it's called the key man insurance or something when you're a business owner, that they don't know the importance of that. If you're gone, like you said, we don't, with COVID, a lot of people start thinking about personal insurance, life insurance, other types of insurances. So that's part of the portfolio that you create for them, right? Like that safety for their family in case they're gone.
Yeah, what we do is tend to go through kind of a fact find to understand what the client needs and what the client wants and what's important. And then we come up with a priority list of, what they feel that's important. Because again, it's not my place to tell you what to do. I'll advise you and say, hey, there's A, B, and C. But ultimately, it's the client's decision of what they want to do with it. But certainly planning for life insurance with business owners, young families, things like that is something that's a priority that nobody ever thinks about or wants to do, because it's money that you're not getting to use. It's like car insurance. You pay your car insurance every month. You're hoping you don't have an accident. And if you don't, great. But you you begrudge having to spend that couple of $100 a month on the insurance policy. And the same with the life insurance. You never get to benefit from a life insurance policy unless, you can do if you get critical illness, but ultimately you're setting a life insurance policy up for your family and your loved ones and your business partners and things like that to make sure that they're protected, not you. But again, it's a priority, and there's lots of expenses when you're setting up a new business.